Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals, a 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. The 21 is actually one of my favorite boats. I'll show you some cool things about it. Some of the options, as you can see here, we've got our big white 200 horsepower Verado. Color combination is really sharp on this. We've got our stainless steel right here, silver graphics, white rub rail stainless steel insert. So the color combination is really nice, as well as your hardtop on this, no canvas to mess with, and zero maintenance on these because they're all powder coated. So as you can see, we've got a nice deep V up here. Boat's designed to kind of be a bay boat, but on a nice day you can definitely go offshore. Nice shallow draft to it. Very, very good performance with the 200 Verado. So it's designed to be a great fishing boat, but actually a very nice family boat too. As you can see here, plenty of seating right here. We've got a big recirculating bait well underneath the helm bench seat. Real nice layout here on the dash. Nice glove compartment for your cell phone, wallet, things along that line. Dedicated life jacket storage up top. The cushions are in here, but we have a fully enclosed head with dockside discharge, another recirculating bait well up here, dedicated anchor storage, more storage here. Cushions that go in there. This one has low bow rails, so if you did want to put a troll motor on the front, you definitely can. So these have been super popular. One of my favorite boats. So to recap, 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless, located here at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax in Venice. The number is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.